Hello guys, as usual this is Jado Tech. As I promised you, in Jado Tech we have many things to do. Now I'm here just to invite everybody to follow Jado Tech and know many more. So we have prepared for you a silly of lessons in episodes which will start from WhatsApp. So we shall see many more about WhatsApp GB WhatsApp. We shall see how to design, we shall see how to decorate, we shall see how to make it attractive, we shall see many more about it. So guys, I would like just to invite you and invite your friends just to see and to follow, because the things which is going to be uploaded on this channel is very important as I have asked by many followers of Jado Tech. So today it's your day. It's your day. It's your day just to see how to design, to see how your WhatsApp can look very attractive in your phone. So guys, I would like to give big thanks to those who subscribed and those who always be with us. I also want to invite you to ask you to invite your friends. Invite your friends by sharing these videos, by commenting, by writing many comments about what can be followed. So guys, thank you. I think the videos are coming. I would like just to say have a nice moment and God be with you. Be blessed and continue avoiding the spread of COVID-19 by staying at home and watching, follow Jado Tech. Thanks very, very, and very